back with some breaking news coming in. The NCPCR has issued summons to the MCD over the killing of two siblings by stray dogs in Delhi's Vasant Kunj. The Apex Child Rights Body NCPCR has summoned the MCD Commissioner Gyanesh Bharti seeking the action that has been taken by the NCD in the wake of the death of two siblings reportedly by stray dogs. This was in the southwest Delhi's Vasant Kunj area. Two children aged 7 and 5 were mauled to death by stray dogs in Ruchi, Vihar in separate incidents that took place over 2 days. There's been outrage and a lot of anger over the incident. Now the NCPCR taking note and issuing summons to the MCD. My colleague Mayank is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Mayank, the NCPCR has sought an explanation from the MCD on the action that has been initiated in the case. What are the details? Mayank?
Yes, as a apex child body, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has taken cognizance of the dogs mauling to the two kids of the same house in Vasant Kunj, and because it comes under the jurisdiction of the South Zone of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, the NCPCR Chief Priyank Kanungo has sent a notice to MCD to appear on 17th March at 3 p.m. and has written a strong worded letter in which he is saying that if the officials will fail to appear, there will be a strong action against MCD officials, because this is a big case and a shocking case that has emerged from Vasant Kunj, and that is why this is a strong worded letter written by NCPCR to MCD to appear before it on 17th March.
Absolutely. And the incident has shocked the entire country, the brutal way in which two siblings had been mauled to death by the dogs. But also, Mayank, the police officials themselves have also written a letter to the MCD for the steps to be taken to curb the dog menace that has been increasing in and around the capital.
Yes, and as you rightly pointed out in your analysis, that yes, dog menace has become a serious problem for also the police officials and the law enforcement agency in Delhi, because this is not the first case, and this is not being seen in isolation, and that's why we also saw that just after just the next day after the second sibling was mauled to death, some MCD members were also there with the dog squad to take away the lethal dogs who have started to attack the human beings in Vasant Kunj area, especially because some of the residents living in that particular area where those two siblings were mauled to death complained also that there are 20 to 30 dogs who chase human beings even without barking. So it makes life very difficult for residents out there, and that's why police officials are also in lookout, and they have also written to MCD over this issue.
Okay, all right. So a report that has been sought from the MCD on the action that has been taken, what needs to be taken as well. The Apex Child Rights Body, NCPCR, has issued summons to the MCD Commissioner, Gyanesh Bharti, and sought an action and report on the death of the siblings. And these are the visuals of the dogs. The dog menace has been increasing. The children aged 7 and 5 were mauled to death by stray dogs in a forest area in Ruchi, Vihar. Mr. Priyank Kanungo, the chairman of the NCPCR, joining us on the broadcast. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Priyank. If you can give us the details of the summons that have been issued to the MCD on the stray dog menace.
We received a complaint, so we issued summons to MCD Commissioner and sought an action report for him. What they are doing to control these type of incidents. There are Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. There are proper protocols to contain this type of situation. So we want their response, and that's why we have issued summons to the MCD Commissioner to be present in Commission on 17th with an action taken.
Okay, at the outset, does it look like the MCD has taken precautionary measures or not? And, has there been any concern of not enough action being taken by the MCD?
They will have to report us. So they will come and report us.
Okay. Okay. So you've issued the summons to the MCD Commissioner in this regard?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Mr. Priyank Kanungo, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. The MCD Commissioner has been asked to appear before the NCPCR, give a detailed report on the action that has been taken on the increasing stray dog menace in the national capital. Slipping into a short break.